Welcome back, YouTube. My name is Nigel Schroeter, aka Mr. Suave 99, aka the King of Navy Federal, aka Mr. Don't Sleep on the Money. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys specifically about building up your credit profile with Navy Federal Credit Union and doing so through credit cards, and how you actually want to build your profile or your relationship with them before you try to go get high limit cards. Now, once upon a time, I was a young grasshopper in the credit game, haphazardly applying for any and everything. And I ran across a credit union called Navy Federal Credit Union. I wanted to get in. Finally, I figured out that my grandfather was in the Army. I went, dug for records through the archives, found his DD 214, and was able to obtain a membership. So once I got in, I knew that I had to persevere. So the first thing that I did was looked around, tried to find out what was available to me that I'd be able to use to build to get the things that I saw that I wanted. And one of the things that I wanted was a high limit credit card. So I set out on this journey. I spoke to countless reps, and what I figured out is Navy Federal is a heavily relationship based bank. So what does that mean? The more accounts, the more trade lines, the more things that you have open with Navy Federal, the better your abilities for higher limits, lower interest rates, and getting approvals altogether. Now, there's another thing that I found out throughout my journey in searching, and that is that Navy Federal will give you higher limits and better interest rates the less inquiries you have, as well as the less debt that you have. So your debt to income ratio is going to affect your ability to get high limit cards vastly, just as well as your credit inquiries and how quickly you're applying for credit. So the tips that I want to give you on getting approved for a high limit card with Navy Federal: open up some secured loans. I got the video. Go check it out on using the secured loan hack or the secured loan trick. Again, the originator of that right here brought that to YouTube, introduced that to you guys. Last year, I went ahead and updated that video, re-released it for you guys this year. Go check it out. Learn that trick inside and out. If you have more questions about it, ask me. I'm going to bring you guys more and more knowledge on it every time you ask until we get that polished perfectly. So we want to make sure that you're building as many trade lines as you possibly can. Now that you've gotten all the trade lines that you can possibly get with Navy Federal, you want to let them age. Now, a lot of people are going to tell you, 91.3, wait 3 months, things like that. What I'm going to tell you is, if you know your debt to income ratio is good, your interest rates are good, yes, wait at least 3 months after you open one card to open a next. However, what I would say is, if you can afford to wait longer, wait longer, wait 4 months, wait 6 months. I've seen, 4 to 6 months has been a really good sweet spot for good approvals, getting those 10K, 20K approvals. We have a lot of subscribers that have gotten those approvals. Hey, and if you're a subscriber who's a part of the double digit credit card community, from watching this channel, please go ahead and say hey or something. Say something down there in the comments. Let us know that you were able to use this information and come up, and able to acquire the cards or the limits that you wanted. So, once again, secure some different secured loans, secured cards. If you're going to do it, only get one Navy Federal secured card. Do not get more than one secured card. Minimum limit, just set that card up. Open up other accounts through Navy Federal. Maybe get a certificate of deposit, a checking line of credit, like I said, secured loans, checking account, savings account. Open up a bunch of different accounts, and just put a little something in them and get them up and going so that the bank can see that you're building a relationship with them and you want to stay with them. Or in this case, of course, the credit union. And once you've done that, wait about 4 months, let it sit, let it season, let it grow, let it soak up all those nutrients. And after 4 months, do your pre-qualification first. Once you pre-qualify, then I want you to go ahead from the pre-qualification and apply for one of the cards. Now, when you're choosing the card to apply for, I'm going to tell you, if you're extremely confident, go for the flagship. And I would recommend that as your second card anyway, because it has a lot of great benefits, especially if the flagship is offering a sign-up bonus at the time you're applying. Go for the flagship as your second card, because that means you can't get a limit less than 5,000 because it's a Visa signature card. If not, all the other cards have the same underwriting process. So whether you want the platinum, the cash rewards, the more rewards, the go rewards, you pick that card for yourself, and you pick that card based upon your use of the card. I want you guys to pick that card based upon how you are going to use that card. If you need something to consolidate debt, get the platinum. If you want an everyday basic cashback card, or if you want to get your cash back quickly or whatever it is, go for the cash rewards card. If you want more rewards, of course, that more rewards card is great, or the go rewards card. Pick the card that suits you best. If it's the sign up bonus, if it's the 0% interest offer, whatever it is at that time that is guiding you towards that card. And then from there, remember, after a year, you can always product change that card to another card, and take advantage of the benefits of another Navy Federal card. So with that being said, of course, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for tuning in, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.